Ang sinasabi po ni Boss Sanchez na 100%, hindi yung kinikita mo ngayon, okay? Hindi yung meron ka ngayon na kung ikaw ay employed, kung ikaw may negosyo, kung ikaw may investment, let's say you are earning a total of 50,000, so that's not the 100%, okay? Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from Mike and James Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Okay, so announcement tayo sa lahat ng mga taga-Taiwan, sa Taipei. So may seminar po tayo dyan, January 20. So magkita-kita po tayo dyan, mag-register na po kayo for only 1,500 pesos. So makaka-attend ka na ng seminar on how to handle your finances, on how to double lock your savings, and why savings is not enough. So, lahat na yan, sasagutin natin sa seminar natin, okay? And, siguro, dahil 2019, let's go back to the old formula of finances, okay? So, balikan natin yung formula ni Boss Sanchez. Na-vlog ko na to, I think, siguro mga more than a year. And nasulat ko na rin sa aking book, and nasa seminar ko na siya on how to handle your finances based on Boss Sanchez formula. Ulitin ko siya ngayon kasi tingin ko napaka-useful niya sa ating lahat. So, this will be on a formula na pwede mong gamitin this 2019, okay? So, unang-una na formula, ang formula ni Boss Sanchez actually is 100, 10, 20, 17. So, 100, 10, 20, 70 pala, hindi 17. So, ano ba ibig sabihin yan? According to Boss Sanchez, yung unang-una niyang 100, ang ibig sabihin niyan, 100%, that's your income. Okay? But wait, okay? So, ito ang ibig sabihin niyan. Let me explain, okay? Ang sinasabi po ni Boss Sanchez na 100%, hindi yung kinikita mo ngayon, okay? Hindi yung meron ka ngayon na kung ikaw ay employed, kung ikaw may negosyo, kung ikaw may investment, let's say you are earning a total of 50,000, so that's not the 100%, okay? So para sa kanya, marami ka pang pwedeng gawin to get or to achieve the maximum percentage, that's 100%, okay? So kung ikaw ay full-time employee ngayon, hindi pa yan 100% na pwede mong kitain. Kung ikaw may small business ngayon, hindi pa yan ang 100% na pwede mong kitain. Okay? So, marami ka pang pwedeng maging income. Yun ang ibig sabihin ni Boss Sanchez na 100. Okay? So, like in my case, when I was promoted as the Dean of Academic Affairs ng school namin and principal, so I thought that's the total 100% na pwede kong kitain. Okay? Hindi po pala. When I started doing my side job, speaker, coaching, so by the way, doon sa mga gusto magpa-coach, personal or online, so mag-usap po tayo. And ano pa, so like my vlogging, okay, my YouTube channel, and other things na nagbibigay sa akin ng income, sales, I get commissions. So, doon lang nabuo yung 100% na sinasabi ni Boss Sanchez. When I have my solid income sa aking full-time job, that's not yet the 100%. Nung ginamit ko yung skills ko, you know, and everything, nagsikap ako, I explore social media, I do sales, so doon nadagdagan yung 100% ko. Na unti-unti nabubuo yung 100% ko. And at present, alam ko, hindi pa ito yung maximum na pwede kong kitain. Like tomorrow, I'll be in Cabanatuan, I'll be launching our company, a new business na sisimulan ko this 2019, which will give me additional income, I'm sure. Okay? So, ang sinasabi ko sa ating delivers, yung 100, ito yung kikitain mo dapat na hindi pa siya nagaganap kasi you are not yet exploring, you are not yet using your skills, you are not yet using your potentials, you are not yet maximizing your time. So, yun ibig sabihin ng 100. Okay? So, kung meron ka ngayon 50,000, I think hindi ka pa 100. Kahit sa tingin mo mataas na yung 50,000, that's not yet 100%. Because you cannot still enjoy life with that 50,000 pesos a month. Okay? sa taas ng mga, hindi ka pa makakabili ng car dyan, hindi ka pa makakabili ng lupa mo, hindi pa. So, that's not yet the maximum. Because remember, ang purpose ng buhay, okay, is to have a good and happy life with your family and at the same time serving God. Alright? So, that's the 100. So, Doc G, ano yung susunod yan? 100, yung 10. Ano naman yung 10? Yung 10, ito of course yung tithes natin. Ito yung, actually, nagbibigay ka pa lang kay Lord, wala pa yung offering mo. So, para sa akin, pwede mo itong dagdagan. So, yung 10%, that's, yun ang bibigay mo kay Lord. For me, more than that, okay? So, ikaw nang bahala magdagdag. But it's a must. Okay? It's para sa akin, kasama siya dapat ng budgeting mo. Pag nag-budget ka ng pera, naghati-hati ka ng pera, nagsweldo ka, okay? Kumuha ka ng 10%, then mag-offering ka pa. Okay? So, hindi enough yung 10%. Okay? So, 110. Yung 20 naman, ito, napakalaga ng 20. Dito tayo mag-focus sa 20. Yung 20% ng income mo, okay, for example, meron kang 200,000, 20% niya, that's 20,000. Yung 20,000 yan, dapat, okay, inilalagay mo sa investment or nagmumultiply siya dapat. And that's increasing your 100. Okay? So, ganito, for example, monthly, nag-ipon ka ng 20,000. So, after 100, for example, 20,000 naman, nag-ipon ka after 10 months. So, 20,000 times 10, ilan yun, Jel? 200,000. So, you're going to use the 200,000 para mag-multiply siya to earn more money. Okay? So, pwedeng ilagay mo sa investment, pwedeng mag-start ka ng negosyo mo. Basta meron laging percentage ng pera mo na ginagamit mo to increase your income. Ito yung maraming wala sa nahihirapan sa buhay, yung hindi makaahon sa kahirapan sa buhay. Kasi hindi sila nag-aalat ng certain percentage para itabi to buy asset, okay, or to invest or to start their own business para magkaroon sila ng additional income. Lahat pumapasok sa expenses. Diba? Na-explain ko na po yan sa inyo before. Okay? So, yung 20% mo, yun yung gagamitin mo ngayon to add money. To add to your 100. Okay? Like in my case, so yung a portion of my, at least 50% ng extra income ko outside my full-time job. So, I'm receiving for an extra income, I think like something like more than 100,000. So, I'm using the 20%, not only 20%, medyo umabot na tayo sa more than that, to put them in the different investment, okay, para nag-i-increase din yung, kumikita yung pera ko. Okay? So, again ganito, delivers. Yung 20%, magagawa mo lang yan pagka na-reach mo na talaga, or at least, nagagawa mo yung 100% ng income mo, na ma-maximize mo yung 100%. Pero kung, if you are only concentrating on one source of income, that's not just 100%, it will be hard for you to spend the 20% for investment and for business. Mahirap siya. Okay? So, kaya naging madali siya sa akin to use the 20% or 40% because I have side jobs. I have other sources of income which is bigger than my income sa aking full-time job. Okay? Alright, so ano naman yung 70? Yung 70, ito yung perang minamanage mo. Ito yung perang natira sa'yo for your expenses. Okay? To pay your bills, to pay your yung mga dapat mong bayaran, and also to do your mission in life, kung if you are helping someone, a group. So, diyan mo na rin kukunin sa 70%. Okay? So, mahalaga ang 70% kasi if you will not be able to handle the 70%, okay, affected ang 20% mo and affected ang 10%. So, that means, pag hindi umabot ang 70% mo, kukuha ka ngayon sa 10%, diba? Na dapat kay Lord na yon. Or kukuha ka doon sa 20% na dapat pang-invest mo o pang-negosyo. So, affected ang 10 and 20% mo. Okay? Pag hindi mo minanage ang 70%. So, paano ba yung tamang pag-manage ng 70%? Alright? So, maraming advice, di ba? Pero sa akin, isa lang talaga, you just spend it sa major things na dapat bayaran. And then, pag halimbawa, 3 days pa before the sweldo, stop spending para sa mga pleasure mo. For example, na-reach mo na yung quota na dapat ang budget mo ay, let's say, 15,000 a month or 2 weeks. Doc, sana mo lang kayo. Sabihin natin 10,000 for 2 weeks. meron kang 2 days, subos na yung 10,000. So, huwag ka na muna kumain sa labas. Huwag ka muna mangutang para lang makabili ng mga gusto mong bagay. Huwag ka muna mangutang para lang makanood ng sine. Huwag ka muna mangutang para lang makabili ng sale. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, you have the power to control the 70% para hindi maapektuhan yung 10 tsaka 20% mo. Alright? So, G-Leapers, ayan yung formula ni Boss Sanchez na pwede natin balikan ngayon 2019. The 100, 10, 20, and 70. Okay? My question is, na-achieve mo na ba yung 100%? Yan na ba talaga yung kaya mong kitain? With your talent, with your skills, with your capacity, with your educational background, with your training, with your experiences, papayag ka ba na yan lang ang 100% mo? Hindi, di ba? So, pag hindi, gumawa ka ng paraan to increase that. Not necessarily dyan sa company mo. Hindi ko rin sinasabing malis ka sa company mo. Ang sinasabi ko, find other sources of income. Nandyan lang. Lumingo ka sa bintana mo, tumingin ka, what are the opportunities outside? Ano yung needs ng yung community na pwede mo provide? And that's what I did when I started my coaching. Ang dami gustong magpa-coach. Okay? So, ang dami nagme-message. I'm not yet a coach then. So, ang dami nagme-message, Doc D, gusto kong magpa-coach. Paano ba? So, ang laki ng demand in my market, in my audience sa YouTube channel ko. So, what I did, I took the opportunity. I studied how to do coaching. I talked to different coaches, and I read a lot, and I listened to different YouTubes on how to conduct coaching. Okay? So, yan na kasi yung, meron ng needs yan na yung market, di ba? So, i-develop mo na yung skill mo. Alright? So, maraming paraan to increase your income. Okay? So, don't forget, ang ating formula para hindi ka na maging mahirap ngayong 2019, 100, 10, 20, and 70. So, thank you very much, G-Leapers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and
Let's go! Let's go!